Sinong mag-aakala na ang patron saint ng France, ng mga sundalo, pati na rin ng mga prisoners ay isang babae. Higit pa rito, isa siyang batang babae. Jeanne d'Arc, or in English, Joan of Arc, was born around 1412. She was the daughter of a tenant farmer and a pious woman from the village of Domremy in northeastern France. During her time, may malaking conflict ang France at England na tinatawag na 100 Years' War, kung saan ang England ang may upper hand. Just in time for the war, the 13-year-old Joan started hearing voices at naniwala siya na boses ito ng mga anghel at santo. Dahil dito, pumunta siya sa Vauquelin noong May 14, 28, kung saan sumama siya sa Dauphin na si Charles. Although ridiculed for her visions, she stood firm for her mission. The mission? To save France by expelling its enemies and make Charles the King of France. She fought with the soldiers by giving them inspiration from the Lord, and the French won major battles. But in the spring of 1430, the king ordered Joan to confront a Burgundian assault on Compiègne, and then the Burgundians took her captive. She was charged with 70 cases against her, including witchcraft, heresy, and even dressing like a man, because gender roles were strict back then. And then the French king, he didn't even attempt to save Joan from all these accusations filed against her. A year after she was captivated, authorities sentenced her to death by burning her at the stake. 5 centuries later, she was canonized by Pope Benedict XV. Joan of Arc did not only defy the system, pero pinaglaban niya rin ang pananampalataya niya. Kaya naman, here are the 5 life lessons na makukuha natin sa buhay ni Joan of Arc. Inspire others. Being a military leader at a young age, and on top of that, a woman, Joan shared her divine mission with her country. Hindi niya lang napanalo ang mga gera, napanalo niya rin ang puso ng masa na magbalik loob at manampalataya ulit sa Diyos. Fight for what you believe in. Kahit sa murang edad, persistent siyang ipaglaban ng France kahit na maraming humahadlang at nagmamaliit sa kanya. Nalampasan niya ito dahil naniwala siya sa divine calling niya at hindi niya hinayaan na mapanghinaan siya ng loob dahil mas malakas ang paniniwala niya sa Diyos. Have faith in yourself. Isang faktor kung bakit napaglaban niya ang bansa niya ay dahil mataas ang kumpiyansa niya sa sarili niya. Her courage allowed her to win battles for France. Have faith in God. At syempre, kailangan magtiwala ka rin sa Diyos. Katulad ng mga huling salita ni Joan bago siya patayin, kung saan sinisigaw niya ang pangalan na Jesus. Her faith in God and the saints allowed her to accomplish miracles on behalf of France. Until her death, she clung to her faith. And lastly, take action. Joan of Arc said, "Help yourself and heaven will help you." Once we have total belief in ourselves and in God, we are able to do anything. Sa maikling buhay ni Joan of Arc, hindi lang siya naniwala, kundi ginawa niya rin yung mga bagay na pinapaniwalaan niya. Her actions have made her a symbol of faith, courage, and feminism, inspiring people in her time and even after. And that's the story of a young girl who fought battles, not with swords or sorcery, but with perseverance, faith, heart, and prayers. She is Joan of Arc.